the one that Danny was working on most recently. I'm gonna call it Misfire because that's some lyrics and Danny wrote it, so it's got to do with the guns. So anyways, let me see where you can see my guitar. I'm playing it in drop A. Danny's playing his always B, but the bulk of the riff is in drop A for me and Wes. It's you're playing on the E and moving around on the A. Mostly lives in E. Most of the song, verse wise, is bass, and I like it like that. So forgive me if I murder your bass riff, Dan, but it's going like, whoop. Yeah, hope you can hear that. Then I'll put a C every couple of measures just to let it ring out. I guess I could distort it maybe. It's clean, but yeah, it makes it easier to hear. The lyrics are like an ounce, a pound, way too small to measure. Da 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 da. That rhythm. And so that's all it really needs, I think, in the verse. And if Wes wants to play leads or whatever, that's cool. But everything minimalistic, bass driving that riff by like a country mile. Do it. Anyways, the chorus, more interesting part guitar wise, is the chorus goes, my God, my pain still lingers, snuff, quenched with your finger, like that kind of thing. But you know, Wes is like, my God, pain still lingers, snuff, yeah, like that. But the riff would be like. I'm playing it like that. You can play it deeper on the drop A, or do it in like every other measure if you want to. Play it like. Or we could sing, and then when we're not singing, play that riff. And my other thought is that chorus isn't like completely totally written yet, so we could do, you know, Wes doing harmony. My God, pain still lingers, no, da 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 da. I think I had like one more line, and then after that, it could just be like solid, heavy. Like, you know, I could write some more stuff. Wes, you know, feel free to write what you want right there, but something, you know, once it gets past this, there's 3 measures of scream, sing, scream, sing. It could be like solid, heavy. So riff wise, look at that. You know, do it 3 times. You know, that, in a scale of 1 to 10 heaviness, you know, that's riding in a 5. And then you go to 10 with the deep riffs. But, And then maybe once it gets to that second verse, we could start riding that more. You know, like the guitars be more present, mirroring that bass line. So it's just my thought. I really like that song, and I want us to write it together. But the theme of that song, I think it's a good idea for at least me and Wes to know the theme of the song. It's good for everybody to know. But personal hell, like that's a reoccurring theme. Is like by walking along, living their life, and you don't really know where they are. As most men, you say, "Hey, how's it going?" "Oh, fine." No, probably not. Maybe not. So that's the thing of that, is like walking all around, being surrounded by people that love you, having a redemptive faith. I have a redemptive faith, and still going through personal hell quietly at times. So that's the thing.